Hi everyone. Um, in today's lesson, we are going to do something called dual words illusion. What is dual word illusion is? Can you look at this here? Okay, on your Tinkercad. From this angle, you see FONG phone, but on this this side, you see another name push BUSH. So how do we do this? How are we going to do this? You will have to follow my steps, step by step. Um, in the very beginning, you have to choose how many words do you need. You can choose something that is 5 letters or 6 letters, but two words, 2 words of 5 letters or 2 words of 6 letters, and try to avoid words like J. Later, I will explain why. Once you are ready, okay, just follow my steps here. Okay, before we start, let me move this away. So you start with putting in two text. Yeah, first one. Okay, just now my example is how to. Let me show you how to do the phone and this bush. Okay, so FONG. Okay, this in this area you have to use capital letter. You cannot use small letter because small letter they have something like those gap in between. Okay, so here um, for the next one, you choose another word. Okay, you choose another word. If you use 5 letters word in here, here also must be 5 letters. After you selected, after you entered, the next thing you need to do is let's do the first word. The first word need to be in a hole. After that, you draw this red color box. Then your red color box try to cover these words. Once you cover the words, you have to put this thing down until you just see the words appear. Just appear will do. Anyway, you're going to cut it away. Then you select both and try to use alignment tool. After you select two, uh, this one have to be in the center and the word have to be at the bottom here. So you click this one and this one. Okay, before I forget, you can always open two tabs while watching my video. You can always pause, then work on your Tinkercad, then you play again, then you work on your Tinkercad again. Okay. Okay, this is not complete yet because I want the word to appear until the bottom. Okay, click on the red color area here. Now you press, okay, before you press, you need to select 0.1 mm, 0.1 mm, and move around 3 tabs. You have to touch the up arrow 3 times, okay, on your keyboard. Until this word, the word just appear at the bottom. Okay, now you don't need to redraw the red color box, just Command D and then bring it down. Okay, before you bring it down, the word have to be in whole. Bring it down. Now you select both. Alignment tool. First, center. Second, bottom. Next, click outside. Click on the red area again. And your up arrow key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, until you can see the word just appear. Now what you need to do is you can pause now. Can you remember what you need to do? Put into text, make it whole, draw a box, align properly. That's all. Now you can pause the video, and try your try and see if you can do until this stage. You can always rewind the video if you cannot follow. Now you select both. Let's continue. Select both. Merge the object. Then the next, select both, merge. Okay, here, merge the object. Okay, now I think I should say the stage 1 has completed. What you need to do is to turn them 90 degree. Yeah, 90 degree like this, 90 degree. Then same for here. It has to be 90 degree. If not, there will be mistake, error. Okay, select both. Press D, donkey, D. Okay. Now what to do is you can click outside and move the bush and font. Okay, two different words. And then you need to draw and make them, okay, actually make them square. Okay, what is square? Look at here. Here is 126.8. So here's 126.8. Here is 126.8. Just type it in. Same for the other one. Drag. So 126.8. Enter. Here 126.8. Enter. Now both are square. Actually, they're supposed to look exactly the same. Check. 126.8, 126.8. So confirm they are square, but probably due to the angle, we can it doesn't look like. Now you can see they're almost square. They're the same size. Okay. Um, don't before you forget, you can select both of them. Leave 3 mm height, 3 mm. Reason is the print head. Later, I explained before. 3 actually is fine. I'm going to use 3 to print. Okay, fine. So this one, move to the left. Okay, Command Z if you've done anything wrong. Okay. Hmm. Both have to become whole, like this, whole. And now you draw a red color. Okay, I think you can put it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe about 90. 90 should be enough. Okay. What you need to do now is bring this in. Now see carefully. Turn 45 degree. Okay. And this one also turn 45 degree. One is turned to the left, one is turned to the right. Now put them together and then select all 3 items. Use alignment, center, center. Okay, this is center, and you must remember, don't forget the 3 mm just now, you must lift them up. And this red color box, now you click outside, has to be higher than the words. Must be higher. So you have to drag this one to make sure it is higher. Okay, make it higher, but do not exceed the height of the box. Okay, anyway, it will automatically be cut off. Okay, now you should pause the video and make sure you can do until this stage. Next, let's continue again. This will be the third stage. Third stage already. Now the third stage is you select everything, cut them by combining. This is merge, so you should have you should be very familiar with this. Okay, let's wait for a while. I think it's merged, but still take some time. Okay, done. So you still can't. You can roughly see the word bush and the word phone in here. What we are going to keep is we are going to cut something. We are going to keep the row in the center. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. How about the rest? The rest you need to cut it off. Okay, how to cut it off. Now watch carefully. You have to do this multiple times. Okay, multiple times. First, you make it a square box. Make sure it is high, okay, high enough. But do not forget, you need to lift the box up. Lift the box up. How high? 3 mm. 3. Press 3 mm. So that we don't cut through the bottom. Okay. After you done with the box, you turn 45 degree because all the objects are 45. Okay, now we try to remove. Can you see? I need to make sure the first character, I don't cut the first character. I have to start with the second one. I just put in a little bit, something like this. After that, Command D, cut the next one. Command D, cut this side. Can you see? Okay, let me move a bit. Can you see what I'm cutting? So I want this one, the center row only. So the rest we have to cut away. Command D. Okay, now I have to cut the second one. Second row, this one, because we have to keep this the center row. Command D. Okay, you see here we didn't cut properly, so you have to make sure you cut it properly. Check by turning it around. Okay, you see the back we haven't cut, so we have to cut by using Command D again. Okay, every time you've done wrongly, just Command Z. Okay, Command Z. You want to turn, you want to move the camera, press the box, then F, focus. Now Command D again and move to here. Okay, now turn and check whether you have cut properly. Yes, it's properly cut. So we already got the first character, second character, and this side we have to cut here. Command D. Check. See here is not properly done. Move a bit. Yeah, now it's properly done, properly cut. Okay, we still have a part in here, haven't cut. Command D. Okay, cut that. Now we want this word and this word, so these two must be cut off. Command D. Yep, properly done. This one, Command D. Okay, properly cut, properly done. Now you zoom out. Can you see? I want the. Okay, this one not supposed to touch the last word. Move a little bit. Okay. Now you can see the center row is complete. Okay, center row is complete. Now we have to handle the behind area, this area. Okay. Command Z. Sorry, accidentally move. So after you Command D. Okay. There's one question here. If you do it by duplicating the box is too small. If you try to make it bigger, have to be very careful because it's not really straight. Make it higher, so we're able to cut this angle. Then Command D. Try to cut here. Command D. Cut here. Command D. Cut here. Okay, I think I didn't press Command D properly. Okay, one more time. Command D. Okay, just make sure we cover properly. Okay, this box covered properly. Here we cover properly. So what you need to do, very simple, select everything, press merge. Let's wait. Okay. See, let's see here. Here. Okay, this one delayed. Now from this angle you can see FO and G. From this angle you can see BUSH. Okay, here you can see we have a mistake. We didn't cut properly. If you have something like that, bring out a box, lift it up 3 mm again, and then turn 45 degree. Bring it back to here and do the cut. Okay, let's check properly. Okay, now can you see? We'll cut it properly this time. Okay, oops, Command Z. Now select the whole object. Oops. Okay, correct, huh? So we merge. Okay, now it's clean, huh? This side is bush, this side is phone. Okay, now we have to do this area. Okay, improve this area. My sample didn't do it properly, so let's do it properly now. Let's put this on the floor before you drag. You can leave some space, but not too much. Then Command D. Okay, this part is done. Okay, now for this part, it's up to you whether you want to follow my idea. Okay, this is a mistake. I need to put this one. Okay, you can straight away cut like this, but for primary, I think you can just cut like this. But for secondary, I think you should do it better. What I would suggest is I will change this back to solid stage. Then I use another cylinder. Okay, hold down the shift key, make it big. Hold down the shift key, make it big first. Okay, then you make it slightly bigger. You cut. You can try using the different way. Okay, so use this one will be faster. Center. Okay, save our effort, save our time. Then you do a merge, cut. Okay, after you cut, I think I make a mistake. Come on this one. Okay, I told you before, in order to make it round, okay, you can increase the size to maximum before you merge. Okay, now you merge the object. Then you duplicate this part. Command D, duplicate this part. Turn 180 degree. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to turn this into something like this before you cut here. So your this item will look a bit round. Better. Cut. Okay, so secondary class, I'm expecting you to do a cutting like this. Okay, not the straight one, not a square one. So just confirm. You see from this angle, you see my surname. Okay, from this angle, you see another word. Okay, that's all for this lesson. You remember, try to pause the video after different stage, after different step, or if you worry you cannot follow, just pause it after every step. Okay, then you play the video again after you complete. Very important is do not forget to leave 3 mm. Just now I did mention to leave 3 mm. There are reason behind. So you can do simpler one, just a direct cut just now, direct cut like this, or you want to do something like this for primary class. Then for secondary class, I expect you all to do a round one. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. Thank you very much.